Hi, I'm Maribel, and I am about to record and give you a behind the scenes of another self-portrait. I'm holding my remote for my camera about just kind of feeling lost and having trouble navigating, having trouble expressing what you feel, maybe not knowing exactly how you feel, just kind of feeling that void. I am using my living room as a studio space. So this is one of the windows that I will use for my shoot, and it has vertical blinds, and it has, I think it's called north facing light. The sunlight is bouncing off my building next door, and I'm getting a nice soft light here in my living room. And then of course here we have my backdrop, which is gaffer's tape and a dingy old black tablecloth, and I have my other window here which will serve as kind of a highlight. So here we go. I decided to do the self-portrait just because I needed to throw myself back in the mix after really forcing myself to come up with an idea, a concept, a plan, how to execute it, where to buy props, and not knowing where the process is going to take you, but just jumping in, starting the process, and just hoping that the creative gods will shine a light on you, and you will kind of maybe flow from one idea to another one. Maybe this feels better, maybe that sparks a different idea, maybe you find that the whole thing just sucks and you can't do it. Just start over.